With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in the given question we have been provided a paragraph about iodometric titration using oxidizing agent. Here should be KMnO4. Okay, this will be KMnO4. Okay, this is potassium dichromate, copper sulfate, S2O2. They are all oxidizing agent in neutral medium and acidic medium with excess of potassium iodide to liberate free iodine. Okay, this is I2. Now, further, the main question here starts from here. Okay, what volume of 0.4 molar sodium thiosulfate would be required to react with iodine liberated by adding this word will be react with iodine liberated by adding 0.04 moles of Ki to 50 ml of 0.20 molar copper sulfate solution. Okay, so this is the main question and this is the paragraph about the iodometry titration. Okay, this once again will be I2. So starting with the basic of this type of iodometry, for this type of question, milli equivalent of potassium iodide, that is Ki, will be equals to milli equivalent of copper sulfate will be equal to milli equivalent of iodine, and finally they all will be equals to milli equivalent of sodium thiosulfate, Na2S2O3. Okay, so we can utilize this relation to find the volume of 0.4 ml sodium thiosulfate. So for that we will find the milli equivalent of sodium thiosulfate. Now we have been provided 0.4 molar sodium thiosulfate would be required to react with iodine, adding 0.04 mole of Ki to 50 ml. Now we have moles of Ki. So Ki milli equivalent will be milli equivalent of Ki will be moles into 10 to the power 3 to convert into milli. Okay, that will become 40. Similarly, milli equivalent of CuSO4 will be equals to 0.2, that is its molarity, into volume 50. So that will come out to be 10. Now, as we can see from the reaction in the starting paragraph, our 2 moles of CuSO4 require 4 moles of potassium iodide. So our 40 milli equivalents of 40 milli equivalents of Ki should require 20 milli equivalents requires 20 milli equivalent of copper sulfate. Okay, so our copper sulfate is in less amount as required, so it will be the limiting reagent. Copper sulfate is the limiting reagent because it is in the small amount. So that means our milli equivalent of sodium thiosulfate will be equals to milli equivalent of sodium thiosulfate will be equals to milli equivalent of copper sulfate, that is 10. Okay, now we have milli equivalent of sodium thiosulfate. We can find its volume. So volume into moles, that is equals to milli equivalent. Okay, so we have to find volume. We take it as X. Moles are 0.4 and milli equivalent are 10. So X will come out to be 25 ml. That is the volume of sodium thiosulfate required, which is in option number B. So our answer for the given question is option number B.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.